Suppose you've liked many pictures of your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend on Instagram and you wish to unlike all of them at a go. Do you think you can do that? To unlike all of them, yes. Go to your profile, click the three lines and then go to My Activity, then see for likes and then check for all others. And search for the name of the profile and then you can see all the pictures you've liked. Now select all and tada! You've unliked all the pictures. We all fear of bad eyes and gossips while posting a picture in social media. Now you've got a solution for that as well. Actually, now you can post pictures or reels just for your close friends' contact. For this, while you post a picture, you can see an icon mentioning audience. This audience will be the people whom you have added in your close friends list. Now, the people in your close friends list can only view this picture. It's such a cool update on Instagram, right? And it's actually a must-try also. You know, we spend most of our time scrolling through reels. And it's you scroll through the comments as well. Some comments deserve the best intention. And guess what? Another cool feature of Instagram is now available. You can highlight the comment with the reel and share it on your story. To try this, comment on the post or a photo or a reel of your choice and then highlight your comment and click on the three dots. And you can see an option, and if you click that, you can post that reel with a comment in your story. How cool, right? Now you can show off your comment skills as well. While you post a story, you can post a sticker or even a cutout of an object from the picture or video of your choice. To do this, take a picture, take that, scroll up the menu where you take the GIF option. In this list, you can find an option called cutout. This is not a feature available for all right now. Do comment if you have this feature. Select that option and then choose a picture from which you want to cut out. And now Instagram will auto-cut the major object found in that image you have chosen. Or if you want to cut out an object of your choice, you can select that image and process it as well. Mind you, good definition pictures can only give you a definite sharp object. Or else there's a high chance you might get a smudged image. All these features that are currently available on Instagram. There are some features that are not yet to be out, which includes text-to-speech. As the name suggests, you can hear the text, and also this update will provide us with more cool fonts and style. You know how boring the Instagram texts are with no updates for like past 5 years. Thank you so much for watching and do let us know if you like the video or not through the comments. Thank you.